Greetings from Heartcare Foundation of India. The topic for today is Janmashtami Vrat. Every year on the day of Janmashtami, people observe a Vrat or a fast, so-called spiritual fast, which is a mental, social and physical and spiritual fast. The fast can be Nirjal fast, that means not even water. Specifically, if you are a kidney patient, don't do that. The fast can be a cereal fast or only a what is called as a falahar fast, where you only take fruits, you take milk products, fruits and water. And this is good for the health. If you do it every week, it may eradicate the diseases. But if you are a diabetic, you have to be careful, because if you are not going to take cereals or carbohydrates, your requirement of insulin and drugs on that particular day may go down. So you have to be careful. You may have to reduce your intake of insulin by up to 40 to 50%. Similarly, you may have to reduce the requirement of your drugs by up to 40 to 50%. What food should be taken on Janmashtami? If you are doing a vrat, believe in falahar, and if you are making a 56 prakar ke bhoj or 56 types of dishes, make sure that you don't involve refined carbohydrates and hydrogenated fats. These are something which you should not involve in your vrat.